lose game they take Asante Kotoko away. Game
No, it was a balanced game. First half, Asante Kotoko, there we were fumbling. We defended very well, but that goal we didn't defend well in that situation, that moment. But second half, I think that we played well also. They got tired during the second half, so we should have taken advantage of that. But unfortunately, because there were concerns, Kakra. So this is a young team that to me, no more there. And going forward, now I encourage them that we still have to work hard going forward. And so it was not a bad game at all, even though we lost.
We say first half on almost a take back. I'm not going to say Asante Kotoko na a book game. Second half on more PA, you have a game this year. I'm going to Kotoko boy. Day in the mouth, let's take back first half.
If we start a game there, first of all, you need to contain the opponent and see what it's going to do. No game plan. So before Sauber attack a cry, you need to gain possession. So why you ball now to me and attack it? And first of all, you need to defend. And then you gain the ball and walk or attack. And in football, no, sometimes this is how it goes. You have to defend very well in numbers. And sana, but unfortunately, no, we attack it the way I should be. But this has been our style so far. But
how Kotoko is a creative chance to goalkeeper Kofiba has saved Samatex on several occasions. Then see difference.
Yeah, what more creative chances, but since they didn't score, I think that I that bad. And this time we are able to defend very well. Unfortunately, in this one situation, we are in the previous matches, we conceded first half that. And so in that moment, we defended poorly, and that resulted in the goal. If not, I think that we should have gotten some point attack and so ensure that you're potent. And so we going forward in a better how I bet my beef. Your squad before your injury concerns be your attackers no money. And so but that is football more on you so more now share the way forward.
More losing some key players coming to this season. The moon say and no ana can performance this season we more
football be corner be aba. But definitely, if say corner be back, they still have to be patient with the more adaptation area. And you know, I know the you said bad, sir, because every year we are teams lose players, so affect here, but not that much. Because some more mobile and almost so and then we overcome. No premier no, you need to gain experience, and many of these players now show for Division 1. They are not going for any Division 1 play, but we a project now, we still can do it and do it better.
Coach, lastly, Asante Kotoko, how do you see them?
Not bad. Not a lot of work needs to be done. So if you want to say more there, then you need to step up your performance, because if we had our Osha, now I don't want to talk about it, but there's still more work to be done. That's all I can say. Okay.